This is a quick overview of the VNS server room to try and give customers an idea of the type of technologies that we're able to support you with and provide your business with. Starting here at the bottom is a scalable APC Symmetra UPS. This is an online UPS that allows us to change our batteries out without taking the system offline, and it also prevents you from having to have multiple UPSs to support your systems. With a single UPS you could scale up to 16 kVA by simply adding battery modules and intelligence modules on an as-needed basis at 4 kVA at a time. Next we have our integrated router. This is also our Call Manager Express, which is our phone system, provides voicemail, all solid state. Everything is IP based. Our WatchGuard firewall, and then our voice and data cabling. Over here in our server rack you've got various types of servers and storage technology. Starting at the bottom we've got blade servers. These are HP blade servers down at the bottom. You'll see that they're connected via a fiber channel to the storage. We've also got a fiber channel SAN, and then what's called a DAS, or direct attached storage, which is SCSI connected to a server. Tape changer, network switch using PoE, power over Ethernet, providing power to all the devices that use a single cable to power them, as well as provide the data connectivity. This includes phones, IP video surveillance, wireless access points. In the next rack we've got a Proliant DL380, Proliant DL360, other older DL380s, and a newer DL380 G6 using the SAS drives, the smaller footprint drives. The same or more capacity, RPM speeds of 10 and 15,000 RPM, much smaller footprint. Burgundy indicates these are hot pluggable, hot swap devices. This means that they can be removed while the server is still online. As long as there is redundancy in the devices, either through RAID or redundant power supplies, you're able to hot swap these devices while the server stays online. This makes maintenance much easier, removing components that are failed while the system is online without impacting the business and taking things offline. These are the older style SCSI drives, and these are the newer style SAS drives. Here you'll see another example of the hot plug technology. This is the power supply for the blade system. So each of the power supplies here can be hot plug removed while the system is online without compromising system performance. The other units will take up the load through redundancy. On the back side of the rack, you'll see that all of the servers use the rack mount technology with the folding cable management arms to keep all of the cables neatly organized so that the servers can be slid out easily. Also have a light. It makes it much easier to work back here, activated when the door opens or closes. IP KVM. The value of these cable management arms are that they allow you to pull a server out of the rack seamlessly with all the cables intact, keeping the system online. This is an example of how the cable management arms work. You'll see that the whole server comes out nice and easy. All the cables are intact on the back side. Everything stays online. Definitely makes server maintenance easier for operators. This is an example of our cable work. You'll see all of the cabling is neatly organized and labeled. We have both our voice and data cabling. Easily accessible, makes moves, adds, changes much easier to maintain.